Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to add a new custom field in a table in Zoho Books. Custom fields help us capture extra information that is important for our business. This helps us organize records, improve reports, and adjust documents to fit our workflow. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, we go to Settings. To find Settings, go to the upper right corner and click the gear button. Now click this. Once we are in all settings, we go to Customization or User Roles Profile. Here, we see User Preferences. Click this. Here is the Field Customization section. To add a new custom field, click this. Here, we enter the label name. For example, we can name it Sample Custom Field. Next, we select the data type. We will choose Text. Here, we want to have text. This is just for demonstration. For data privacy, check the box if you want to enable this. We can also set validation, like allowing only numbers, or set a default value. Decide if the field is mandatory or not, based on what works best for your business. When we are done with the format, click Save. When we are safe, the new custom field will appear in your filter customization. That is how we add a new custom field to our table in Zoho Books. After creating your fields, make sure to add them to a sample transaction to ensure they display and work as needed.